What's going on, YouTube? If y'all haven't seen part 1 of this video, then you need to check it out. That I have the widest Dodge Ram in America, and the reason why we're out here in the middle of the night with the spotlight is because I swear that I have the widest Dodge Ram in America, and I'm here to prove it. There's a saying that says, "You're so white, you will glow in the dark." So if I have the widest truck in America, I'm going to think it's going to glow in the dark. Let's find out if this thing will glow in the dark or not. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Look at that. Look at that. It glows in the freaking dark, kids. Look at that. I have the only Dodge Ram in America that glows in the freaking dark. So I think that I have proven to be that I do have the widest Dodge Ram in America. Let's try a little bit right here, just for giggles. Alright, y'all count down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and lights out. Look at that. We're glowing, people. Okay, that could be a fluke. Let's try it on the driver's side. I don't know. Let's try it here by the door handle. Let's try it by the Ram 1500. Let's see what happens over here. It's so hard to have the widest Dodge Ram in America. I have the only Dodge Ram that glows in the dark. I have yet to see another, especially, I know not in northern Florida. But let's try this out. Ready? And 1, 2, 3. Look at that, people. We are freaking glowing. Look at that. Pow. It's glowing in the light. Now, what would happen if I put it right here like this? How bright will it glow? Let's just take a gander and find out. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. As soon as the corporate light goes out, we're going to do it. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Come on, corporate light. 2, 2, 2, and 1, and 0. Look at that, we're glowing. That's some cool ass shit, man. I apparently own the widest Ram in America. I thank y'all for watching. If you like this video, please feel free to like, comment, subscribe. And it inspires me to do more cool shit like this and post it online. So yeah, I officially own the widest Dodge Ram in America. I don't give a shit what anybody says.